Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we have the GW55 Smartwatch, and the other one is the Colmi P73 Smartwatch. These are all rugged outdoor smartwatch. So we are going to check on the design. We are going to compare the design as well as the weight, okay, the size, of course, the menus and features available in the smartwatches. So if you have any questions and if you want to see the difference between these two wearables, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's check. Again, we have here the GW55 Smartwatch, and the other one is the Colmi P73 Smartwatch. So these are the packaging. Simple, okay. And they have all the specs here at the back and the features. So different support app, different style, but are all an outdoor smartwatch. So we are going to check first the weight of these smartwatches. Let's go first with the GW55. It is much thicker, much bigger. Okay, so we have here, let's check on the weight. So it is around 49.57. You can round it off to 50 grams. While for the P71 or 73, we have 39.41. Just 10 grams lighter. Okay. Then for the dimension, let's check. So I have here a measuring tool. Let's check for the thickness. Okay. So it is around 10. While for the P73, not including the sensor, so it is around 9, just 1 millimeter thick. Okay, for the design, let's check. Okay, let's have a closer look. They almost have the same size, but different approach on the style. Okay, this one is much sporty and slim looking smartwatch, while this one, it is much thicker, more masculine. This one can be a unisex style. On the side, you see this style here, we have a physical button. We also have a button here, but there's no crown button for the P73. This is the power on off button. So this one, so it works as a rotating button. At the back, let's see. So we have the sensor. Guys, they almost have the same. They also have the same pogo pin. Okay, charging cable. For the strap, the same flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin. Okay, but I like the design or the style of the GW55 Smartwatch. On the other side, we have here some speaker, I think. And this is the side of the P73. So as you can see, very obvious, the GW55 will have a much bigger body frame, while for the P73 it's much slimmer. Okay, I'm back. For the screen display, let's see, let's compare. Okay, let's just put this aside. For the screen display, we don't have the details here for the GW55. I think it is 2.01 inch, as you can see here. Okay, much bigger than the P73. Okay, both do have an IP68 rating. Okay, for the UI, so let's check. Okay, on top we have, okay, the different settings here, quick settings. How about for the P73? Okay, so this is the settings. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. While for the GW55, yes, the same. Okay, on the left side, menu here, it is the split screen. To access the main menu, okay, you have to press the power button. Here, to access the main menu, just swipe. Okay, on the right side, we have the different functions. Okay, so let's explore the main menu. Okay, so we have the steps, information, push notifications. Okay, there's also Bluetooth call here. There's also Bluetooth support for the GW55. I think they almost have the same features here. Okay, just different hardware sensor. Blood pressure, there's no, yes, we also have a BP here. Blood oxygen, timer, stopwatch weather. We also have a camera. Okay, calculator. Yes, we also have a calculator here. Let's see. See, almost have the same UI. Okay, I think they will differ on the sports. Okay, so we have some indoor and outdoor sports here. Let's check on the sports of the smartwatch here. Okay, so running, cycling, rope skipping, elliptical machine, yoga, basketball. We have the outdoor sports, volleyball. But I like the design here of the GW55. They have, or there's a different background for each sports. Okay, the P73 do have a simple design here, generic style UI for its sports function. Okay, but for the sports, okay, the metrics, let's see. Let's go with the walking. So there's a countdown also. So it tracks for the steps, time, calories, beats per minute. Okay, there are more data for the P73. Okay, stop. Okay, yes, stop. Let's go with the heart rate. Okay, and back. So where's the heart rate here? Let's see. So we have the heart rate here. Let's see if they have the same animation. Okay, so different animation here. Okay, for the watch faces, long press. Okay, so no long press for the GW55, but you can use the crown button here to change. Okay, I don't like the style as your original watch face can be replaced easily or accidentally when you use your smartwatch. Okay, so generic watch face I think for the GW55, while for the P73 it has its own watch face here. Again, let's go back to the different menus. Let's check it again. We also have a blood pressure. So we have a blood pressure here. Okay, so it detects, the P73 detects whether you are wearing the smartwatch or not. You have an alarm, SpO2, weather, female health, camera, voice assistance, calculator, breath training, power saving mode, settings. Let's check these settings here. Setup. Okay, there's language support. Okay, both do have a very good, okay, features here. comprehensive list of features, system, app view. So this is the menu. Okay, let's see if we have it here. Okay, so the same, we have a list, view, cellular view, surround view, just this different name, but they almost have the same style. Okay, so that's it for the comparison video review of the design, features, okay, of the GW55 Smartwatch compared with the Colmi P73 Smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this video review of GW55 and P73, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.